Economics, Class 9, NCERT. Study buddies. Human beings contribute to economic development. People's skills, knowledge, and abilities are productive resources. Humans are different from other resources because they can think, innovate, and improve productivity. Population quality matters more than population size. Healthy, educated, and skilled population is nation's biggest assets. Introduction. Population vs people as a resource. Population equals total number of people. People as resource equals educated, skilled, employed population. Large population can be strength or burden depending on skills. Example, India's youth population can be strength or burden depending on skills. Overpopulation without education and jobs can become a burden. Characteristics of human resource: active, productive, and dynamic. Developed through education, health, and skill development. Productivity depends on knowledge, skills, and motivation. Human capital is renewable through continuous learning. Innovation and creativity are unique human contribution. Essential for economic growth and development. Skilled workers and entrepreneurs drive agriculture, industry, services. Supports social development, literacy, healthcare, equality. Example, doctors improve health, teachers improve education, engineers build infrastructure. Human resources enable technological and scientific progress. Importance of people as a resource. Human capital formation. Investment in people to improve skills, knowledge, productivity. Ways: education and training, health and nutrition, on-the-job training. Leads to higher income and better standard of living. Example, IT training programs increase employability. Government programs like Skill India, Digital India promote human capital. People as an economic resource. Contribute via labor, creativity, and innovation. Agriculture, farming labor, new techniques. Industry, skilled workers, engineers, entrepreneurs. Services, teachers, doctors, IT professionals, transport workers. Entrepreneurs transform resources into products and services. Example, startups in India create jobs and promote innovation. Challenges in human resource development. High illiteracy and lack of education. Poor health and nutrition reduces productivity. Gender inequality in education and employment. Unequal distribution of skills across regions. Migration of skilled labor from rural to urban areas. Unemployment despite educated youth skill mismatch. Measures to improve human resource. Improve education and vocational training. Provide healthcare and nutrition facilities. Encourage skill development programs. Promote employment and entrepreneurship. Encourage women's participation in workforce. Use technology for online learning and remote training. Key takeaways. People are the most important resource of a nation. Education, skills, and health transform population into productive human resources. Human resource development is essential for economic and social progress. A skilled workforce drives innovation growth and competitiveness. Investing in people ensures long-term national prosperity. Conclusion. Humans are both creators and users of resources. Well-developed human resource ensures economic growth and improved living standards. A nation's progress depends on how it develops and utilizes its human capital. Quote example, human beings are the wealth of a nation.